A fight between two sides of different localities at Sora in Thobal district has left 6 people injured. According to police, the incident occurred around 5:30 p.m. yesterday, was arisen out of the feud between the two sides, adding that at least 6 people were injured in the physical altercation using swords. Later, a team of Kukching police who arrived at the scene managed to control the situation. The injured persons of one side are identified as Makak Mayum Amar, aged 28 years, son of M.K. Khamba, his brother M.K. Akbar, aged 26 years, and M.K. Asif, aged 24 years of Sora Ching Wangma, while Mohammad Iboyai, aged 45 years, his son Mohammad Anas Khan, aged 24 years of Sora Mamang Laikai, and Mohammad Mukta Kim, aged 20 years of Sora Awang Laikai, were the injured persons belonging to other side. It is said that the injured persons have been referred to multiple hospitals in Imphal after they were initially rushed to Thobal District Hospital and Jiban Hospital, Kukchin Gamdong, as their conditions were serious.